Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Connect Notion database to Bubble, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Notion account. Create a new database or select an existing one that you wish to connect to Bubble. Click on the Share button in the upper right corner of your Notion database. Ensure that the Share to the Web option is enabled. Next, copy the link provided in the Share settings. Now, log into your Bubble account. On the left sidebar, click on the Plugins tab. Select the Add Plugins option. Search for the Notion plugin in the Marketplace. Install the Notion plugin into your Bubble application. Once installed, click on the Notion plugin settings. Paste the link to your Notion database in the designated field. You may need to authenticate your Notion account, so follow the prompts to do so. Now, go to the Data tab in your Bubble editor. Create a new data type to match the properties of your Notion database. Add fields in your Bubble data type that correspond to the columns in your Notion database. Return to the Design tab and drag the elements onto the page to display your data. In the Workflow section, set up a new workflow to retrieve data from Notion. Use the API call feature to fetch the data based on the configurations you set up earlier. Run your application to test if the connection is successful. Check if the data from your Notion database populates correctly in your Bubble app. If everything looks correct, make any necessary adjustments. Save your progress frequently as you build. Now you have a fully connected Notion database with your Bubble application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.